Leo Red here, and today I will be showing you a couple of items that I bought that's going to be part of my EDC. And as you can see, it's already open because I was doing a video already on it, and but the video got messed up. So this is like take two. So like both of the items are already going to be open. But I'm gonna go ahead and power through it anyway because the video got messed up. So either way, here we go. This is the Gerber Curve multi tool. And this is the gray body one. Check the back. If I can hold it together so you can read it. There's all the specs right here. Like I said, color gray and all that stuff. Let's see, we have, pull this up. So you can see this. We have the blade right here. It's the medium flat head driver, a file, a Phillips head driver, and a small flat head driver. Got a bottle opener in the back and a carabiner. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Get out the way. And it locks back. Got a release tab right here. Test the edge of the blade. Cuts through pretty good. I want to say it's a razor sharp, but at least it cuts. If I can get the rest out. It's so small to get to it. Although I have to do it right here. Yeah. Right here. So I'll put these on my keys. If I can get it in there. There we go. Yep. This is my black light. Yep. Fits on there pretty good. Okay, let's see what else I get. Which is already open too. It's a UST survival card tool that I'm gonna keep in my wallet. Oh, and for the Gerber, I bought this at a Target. And the card tool, I bought at Walmart, and it was the last one on the shelf. And you can see how it's all beat up, so it's been there for a while. But here's everything that's on it. And it comes with a protective sheath. Like I said, it's already open. So, out the way. Here's the sheet. Stainless steel. Has the UST logo right here. I think the price on this was like 196 or something like that, so about $2. So I said, why not? Might as well get it. I was going to Walmart to get some shoes, and just came across it. Something to stick inside my wallet. So that's about it.